How to remove an add-on in Google Sheet. Install an add-on you don't need anymore? No problem. Removing it's just easy as it is. Let's declutter your tools in a flash. First thing, open your Google Sheet and then go to choose any one of your project and then go to extension or tools. Then over here you can see add-on. Here you can see get add-ons, and at the bottom only you can see manage add-ons. Simply tap on it and make sure your internet connection is fast for smooth. Over here you can see mail merger. If you tap on it, there you can see the option of uninstall. If you simply uninstall, then the merger will be removed from your add-on. Like this, you can remove any add-on in Google Sheet you want. Now your workspace is lean, clean and distraction free.